Hi, I'm Jenny. Welcome to Lasheni 21 Nails. I'm starting off with this beautiful nail polish from Shy. It's called Lollipop and it's from her 2018 spring collection. To stamp, I'll use my black Beauty Big Bang stamping polish and this Born Pretty plate BPL 088. I pick up the image and then use these polishes to fill them in. Funky Fingers White, called Gesso, and Shy Pink Bubblegum. After the pink polish dries, I can then apply the white polish over the rest of the image. While I was waiting for that to dry, I used my Nicole Diary plate ND-L005 to pick up this image right here. I used my pink Sinful Colors nail polish called Come Hither and then filled it in with the white. When the image is ready, I can stamp it directly onto my nail. I use an orange wood stick to carefully press down on the edges. Then I cut off the excess and use a nail art brush dipped in acetone to clean around the cuticles. I placed the second image on my ring fingernail. To make it pop a little more, I re-stamped the same image using the pink nail polish. Then I finish off with my Seche Vite Dry Fast top coat. And the manicure is complete. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks so much for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye! You can follow me on Instagram at Lasheni21Nails to see more photos. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button.